Okay, so check this out, the Azio Retro Classic Artisan Keyboard. Seriously, this thing is a work of art. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm still kind of obsessed. It's like they took a vintage typewriter, gave it a futuristic upgrade, and sprinkled some magic dust on it. First off, the look. It's stunning. Genuine leather top plate. Leather. It feels incredible, smells amazing like a new car, but classier, and adds this touch of luxury you just don't get with most keyboards. The round keycaps, the chrome accents, the whole aesthetic just screams vintage elegance. It's a statement piece for sure. People are going to ask you about this keyboard, but it's not just a pretty face. This thing is a beast functionally too. It's mechanical, which means those satisfying clicks and clacks are back, baby. And they're not just any clicks, they're tuned to feel like a vintage typewriter. Remember those? The tactile feedback is fantastic. It makes typing feel so much more intentional. Plus, it's backlit, which is super practical for those late-night coding sessions or gaming marathons. Speaking of gaming, it actually performs surprisingly well. I wouldn't necessarily call it a hardcore gaming keyboard, but for everyday gaming, it's more than capable. The mechanical keys are responsive, and the layout is comfortable. And let's be honest, it looks way cooler than any other gaming keyboard out there. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0, which is super convenient. No wires cluttering up your desk. It also has a wired USB option if you prefer that. And it works with both PC and Mac, so no compatibility issues there. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. It's definitely a premium keyboard, so it's not going to be cheap. But honestly, the quality and craftsmanship justify the price tag. This isn't some flimsy plastic keyboard that's going to break after a year. This is a solid, well-built piece of tech that's going to last you a long time. It's an investment, not just a purchase. So, who is this keyboard for? It's for anyone who appreciates good design, loves that vintage aesthetic, and wants a keyboard that feels as good as it looks. It's for writers, coders, gamers, and anyone who spends a lot of time typing. If you're looking for a unique, stylish, and high-performing keyboard, the Azio Retro Classic Artisan is definitely worth checking out. It's a total game changer. I'm absolutely in love with this thing. It's easily one of the best keyboards I've ever used.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.